Welcome back. We're back on the Galant, back in the shed. Friday night, it's raining. So I got the big block out and just looking over the engine bay here and getting a bit of a game plan of what I need to do. There's a fair bit of grease and grime stuff going on in here that I'm going to need to tidy up. So I think I'll drag the pressure washer out, and there's a bit of grease and grime in the trans tunnel as well. So it's probably a good opportunity to get in there as well and give the engine bay a bit of a wash, give underneath a bit of a wash, and then start stripping all this back. First, I'll start with disconnecting the clutch cable. I can feel it. Said Michael Jackson. Or was it the Jackson 5? I think it was the Jackson 5. Got it. And that's why sometimes these things take ages. Like, if it takes you 5 or 10 minutes to disconnect the clutch cable, that's just why they take so long.
Stop your bloody whinging, Marge!
Yeah, this cable's trashed. It's very stiff to operate. That's junk.
In the bin!
With the steering box here, it's a little bit notchy when you turn the main shaft here. And you can see the steering arm moving through its movements. It's not smooth. You can feel it sort of notchy the whole way along. I don't know if that's normal. Hard to describe, but as you turn the shaft here, with each bit that it turns, it feels notchy, not smooth. Now, maybe when it's on the car and it's got a load on it, maybe you don't feel that. But if you do, that'd be very unnerving when you're on the steering wheel. So is that normal when these things are out of the car, for it to feel notchy as it's going through its movements? I'd appreciate any help with that. I guess while I'm here as well, I'd like to thank all of the Galant experts who regularly get on and offer advice and positive comments and constructive criticisms and whatnot as well. I do really appreciate that stuff, guys. It pushes me along. In the shed with Darren planning fail, can't find the pressure washer. I'll just hit it with the garden hose, I guess. And that's the engine bay stripped. Gave it a wipe down with wax and grease remover. Now I'm going to get into primer. Awesome progress. Everything always looks better when it's one colour. No exception for the engine bay, looks great. It's nice to get the big block Astron 2.6 out of there. And so there's been lots of debate in the comments section and in real life. What colour is the Galant going to be? I don't know. I'm not even making the decision. But there's a couple of good options. There's some strong options. There's some options I'm super keen on, and there's some options I'm not so keen on. What do you guys reckon? I've had folks say, make it black, make it silver, make it red, don't make it black, make it purple, make it pink, make it white, make it yellow, make it green, make it blue. Like, we need some direction. We need answers. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.